children lovingly from God and bring them up according to the law of Christ and His church. Yes, I will.
Yes, I will.
Not loud enough.
Yes, I will.
Yes, I
How many? Since it is your intentions to enter in marriage, join your hands and declare your consent before God and His church.
I, Mark, take you, Hazel, to be my wife. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and